Hi, Dr. Sult here. I've been asked to talk about my personal COVID-19 regimen. This is not a video about some magic cure. Unfortunately, there isn't one. This is a video about how to optimize your totality of resistance, your whole life immune response. So how do you do that? First and foremost, it's diet and lifestyle. We have an extensive guide about diet and lifestyle, everything from stress management to relationships and nutrition and exercise and everything in between. So that'll be in the description. Please go to that link and download it. The next is, what's my nutritional regimen? Well, after the foundation of diet and lifestyle, I use Just Be Well Foundation, which is a packet, comes in here, packets that you take. If you're challenged, you take one of these twice a day. For just maintenance, you can take one once a day. It's got 2 vitamin pills in it, a couple of phytonutrient pills, and a big old fish oil pill. Now, the reason for that is it covers the bases in our stressed lives, right? Plus, the fish oil has immune supporting activity and anti-inflammatory activity. And one of the issues with COVID-19 is it causes what's known as a cytokine storm, which is inflammation out of control. Next is Superfood Immune Prime. Immune Prime is an extract of baker's yeast, which primes your immune system so it's on alert. Now, it's just alert. It's not overstimulated. It's just on alert. So it keeps it on alert. Next is something called Superfood Vira Pro. Vira Pro has a number of nutrients that also help keep your immune system primed and alert. Vitamin D, 50,000 units once a week. That's an amount of vitamin D that will help improve immune function and reduce inflammatory over-amplification. And then Neuroimmune Support. Neuroimmune Support has something in it called PEA, which is the abbreviation for a totally unpronounceable biochemical word. It's a natural product. Your body actually makes this stuff, but it goes down with age, like so many things. PEA has been shown to prevent multiple viral infections. So preventing infection, that's the reason for that. It also happens to be really good for neuropathic pain. So if you have neuropathy or something like that, it's very good for that. Curcumin. This is called Curcuphilic. This is a highly bioavailable form of curcumin, maybe as much as 200 times more bioavailable than other brands. Now, curcumin has antiviral activity all by itself, and it has significant anti-inflammatory activity. So again, the cytokine storm idea, if you do get sick with COVID, we want to be primed with anti-inflammatories. Histapro. Histapro is originally designed as an anti-allergy or a allergy support kind of thing, but it has a couple of things in it. Number one, stinging nettle. Stinging nettle has been shown to help prevent viral attachment to human cells. So it's almost like antibodies. In fact, the stinging nettle, it has lectins in it that act like plant antibodies. So it actually binds to the virus similar to antibodies and prevents them from attaching to our cells. It also has in it something called quercetin. Quercetin has a number of activities. One of them is it's a mast cell stabilizer, which means that it helps prevent an over-amplification of inflammation, but also it is a zinc ionophore. And what that means is it helps zinc get inside your cells. And where you want your zinc is inside your cells. And so lastly, zinc. Zinc, it has a bunch of antiviral activities, one of which is if it gets inside the cells in adequate amounts, which is why we use the quercetin in the Histapro, it can prevent the RNA, which is the kind of DNA, RNA material that this particular virus has. It can prevent it from replicating. And what that does is prevents the bug from getting a really strong foothold in your body. So that's my regimen. It's not a cure. I don't want to mislead anybody. I want to make sure you understand it's not a cure. It is a preventative strategy along with diet and lifestyle. So stress management, nutrition, exercise, sleep. Sleep is critically important, and relationships. And get the guide and then take a look at the URLs for these products. All right, have a good day.